Hello YouTubers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to find a profitable niche or niche, whatever you want to call it, for your YouTube channel. So for example, when you're talking about ad rates, you're referring to things like CPM. In this example right here, it's $28 per 1,000 views of monetized playbacks. And another way to look at it is cost per click. So how much money advertisers are willing to spend on a click. So if an advertiser is willing to pay a high cost per click for certain keywords, so that means your niche is going to be very profitable. Okay, to find out how much the potential money-making income for your niche, I use Google AdWords Keyword Planner. It is kind of free to use if you have a Google AdWords account. Even if your account is suspended, just like my account here, and this one is suspended, but you can still use it to do keyword research. And if you don't have an account, just head over to adwords.com, make an account. So what you do is once you're logged in, click on the tools and settings and then click on Keyword Planner. And here, just start with new keywords, type in your keyword. So my niche is internet marketing, so I'm going to type in internet marketing and hit enter, and then just enter in about 3 keywords related to your niche and get results. Just click that. And here I like to sort my average monthly searches from high to low, just like this. And back in the day, Google AdWords allows you to see the exact average monthly searches, but nowadays they only give you a range, which is okay. I'm not using this to scout any particular keywords. I just want a general idea of my niche. So you can see here, affiliate marketing, it's got a pretty good search volume, average monthly searches. This is for google.com. Generally, the search engine and YouTube search engine is pretty similar. You're going to get a lot more searches at Google compared to YouTube, but you can still kind of gauge at just how much keyword volume is there. And what you want to focus on is right here, the last 2 columns. So this is the top of page bid. So this is how much advertisers are willing to pay to get their ad on the first page. So this is the low range and this is the high range. So the top advertisers are paying as much as $7 for 1 click for this keyword. So if a visitor searches for affiliate marketing at google.com, this top bidder here, their ad will show up, and then this advertiser here at the low range for $1.50 may show up at the lower end position. So what you do is you just skim through some of the keywords. Are they related to your niche? Just focus on the last 2 columns, and you can see there's a lot of advertisers for almost every single keyword. So this means that this niche, affiliate marketing or internet marketing in general, it's going to be pretty high paying. You can see here there's dollars per click for these keywords. So if I'm making video content based on these keywords, I can expect advertisers to pay a pretty penny to advertise on my videos, and my CPM rates will be pretty good as well. As you can see here, the evidence is here. So $28 per CPM. So it's not the same as cost per click, but generally they go hand in hand. If one is high, CPM is high, then the cost per click will also be high. If the cost per click is high, the CPM rate will also be high. Generally, that's how it goes. And that's one example for this niche. So let's look at another niche right here. So this is for viral cat videos, viral videos, and funny videos. So this right here, you can see it's not as high in terms of ad rates. This right here is a little bit crazy, so that's not normal. So I would say that's an outlier, and I would usually pay attention to the low range bids since it's a little bit more realistic. If you scroll through, you can see a lot more empty. There are no bidders for these keywords, which means the commercial value of these keywords are not good. Nobody's bidding on them. So if you make videos on things like funny fails, funny dog videos, so that means you're not gonna get a good ad rate. So that's how you can tell. You just scroll and then you can see a lot of empty spaces and low range bid values and a bunch of empty no bidders. So let's check out another niche right here. So this is for a lot of you gamers out there that want to start gaming channels, a dream job. And you can see pretty low end bids, 5 cents for YouTube Fortnite. Very competitive, meaning there's a lot of YouTubers and live streamers and the competition is high, but there's not a whole lot of advertisers. Generally you get a lot of views, but you can see a lot of empty spaces, way more empty spaces. But then again, if you have a lot of views and subscribers, you can make money by other means like sponsorships, donations, and merchandising. So there are multiple options. So let's get to some other niche here. We got cooking. So cooking is a pretty good niche, not too high, but you can see that there's a lot of advertisers for just about every single keywords out there. And let's check out a pretty high paying niche. So finance, for sure. Things like how to budget savings, finance a business, how to get a mortgage. Very high paying, dollars per keywords and high end double digits. And almost every single keyword has advertisers bidding. So that's how you do it. And if you don't have Google AdWords, you can also use SpyFu. I'll leave a link in the description below this video. So here I have the keyword funny cat videos, and down here you can see the cost per click, about 55 cents. I guess that's an average. And let's do something, how to invest. And this one is about $5.39 cost per click. And you can also see the monthly search volume. And to do a new search, and SEO tutorial is $3.36. So you can find out keywords, volume, and their cost per click this way as well. If you don't want to use AdWords for some reason, you can't open an account, but definitely this is a better way to do it. It's faster and you get more data. All right, I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.